Adotrip. Nothing is far.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm Bidita back. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks for traveling that will make you savvy. First of all, travel light. Do not carry unnecessary stuff that probably would only add to weight. Promote responsible and sustainable tourism by simply modifying your approach. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Ditch 5 stars to try homestay. Be vocal for local, buy local handicrafts and save the cottage industry. Last but not the least, my humble request. Be a part of the solution and not the problem. Be a responsible citizen and save our environment, save the planet. And don't forget to grab the best deals on Adotrip, the online travel platform that promotes tourism and hospitality. Happy traveling!